Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Ford Focus Titanium X. This is the top of the range model and comes with the 2-litre diesel turbo engine and with the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 70 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 20 and the car's covered just over 32,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Moondust Silver and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we have a look inside, the first owner chose over £2,300 worth of factory options, which included the Sync 3 system for your satellite navigation, so that's upgraded. You also have your blind spot on the mirrors there, for example, that show you when a car's coming up your inside on the motorway. The appearance pack, which included the 18-inch alloy wheels, I think they do look really smart. And then finally, you have your black leather seats there. The driver's side is electric, and these are also heated, so really comfortable. As well as the satellite navigation, you've also got your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And then a few other features like I mentioned, you have your climate control, as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers. And then on the driver's door card there, you've got your folding mirror switch and your 4 electric window controls. I also did spot the car's got the Sony sound system as well. As we open the rear doors, a nice little feature I like is you've got the pockets in the door cards there, but also the extra storage down on either side of the rear bench as well. You also have 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's still got the original carpet floor mats from Ford as well. And as we open the tailgate on the estate, you have the really good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And also underneath the boot floor, you have your space saver wheel and the subwoofer. Externally, the car comes with xenon headlights, the 18-inch wheels that I've already mentioned, as well as front and rear parking sensors, and also a colour reversing camera. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with a finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.